everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. It's SCT sampler time. So my SCT sampler came in the mail for October and I'm excited to share with you what goodies we got. For those of you that are interested in the kit, it's I think it's quite affordable for what you get. All the details are on the SCT, so scrapbookandcardstoday.com. I think if you go to their website and just look up SCT sampler, it will give you all the information that you need. So I've kind of grouped the goodies and we'll go through that really quickly. So as always, you get a card. Right off the bat, it's purple, which leads me to believe that there's some Halloween stuff in here, which of course there is. It says we all have magic inside us, which is a J.K. Rowling quote. And as always, there is, well, actually I shouldn't say as always, usually there is an acrylic piece that coordinates with the word that's being featured in this kit, but this month we actually have a glitter foam thicker version of the magic. So that's that. That's from SCT sample. That's part from SCT, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's get some of the big stuff out of the way. So from Heidi Swap, from her Emerson collection, we get this stamp set, and it is not photopolymer. I'm pretty sure this is like a silicone or something like that, but so it's a little bit lower quality stamp set, but they still work. So that's good. So it's got some florals, it's got everyday moments, happy memories, ampersand details, that one time, label, a little faded dot grid, together weekend, documented favorite, remember, and a date kind of stamp, and then the little heart. So that's nice, like that. From Lawn Fawn, I received this border die that says Merry Christmas. How appropriate, because we're heading into Christmas and I'm still not done all my Christmas cards. Now, a friend of mine receives the kit as well, and she got, I think it said thanks teacher, so these are different. They're not all the same. I'm very happy that I got Merry Christmas, because this is one that I for sure will get a lot of use out of. From Tailored Expression, we've got a 3x4 watercolor sampler pack. So there's 4 panels of watercolor in here, so you can give watercolor a try. And then as always, there's 2 paper lines. So let's start with this one first. This is the Crepe Paper Willow Lane collection from Maggie Holmes. And so we get some ephemera pieces here. I got the butterfly, a tag, a journal card that says, hey, good looking. Let's see that there. And then the letters that spell out magic. So continuing that theme. And then the cardstock that I've got, this one has some banners with words on it. And then the other side, it looks like a log cabin if you're into quilting, a log cabin pattern. Then there is this floral print, and actually in the Hip Kit Club, you know, the Hip Kit Club thing that I got last month, this paper was in there. On the other side is this vine or leafy stripe. This one here is a quarter section of floral paper. This looks like it's like a green, olive green color. And on this side it's got this scalloped white stripe. Then there's another floral. On this side is like a check. Then we've got this striped floral, a pink with a random kind of scallop. There's a distressed yellow, and on this side is some butterflies. So for the sampler kits, I really appreciate papers like this because you can easily trim out these butterflies, and now you've got way more embellishments if you want to do like a 12 by 12 scrapbook page. So just something to keep in mind. So that is Crepe Paper Maggie Holmes Willow Lane. And then the other collection that we got is from Bella Boulevard. It is Sweet and Spooky collection. So it is a Halloween theme. And I know somebody's gonna boo and hiss at me, but Halloween's not really my favorite holiday. I don't know why, it just isn't. And probably because I'm lazy. And it just seems like a lot of work to come up with a costume. I don't know. Anyways, it's not my favorite holiday. I don't decorate for it or anything. And I don't have any children, so I don't take any kids out trick-or-treating or any of that kind of stuff. But that's okay, because there's always two sides to pattern paper, and so I'm sure I can make this work. So as part of the ephemera, we get a little tag. It says so much candy. There's a leaf. There's this bat. It's actually really cute. It's got some floral elements on it. Another leaf and more leaves. So this is kind of lending itself to being not just necessarily Halloween, but also fall. So that's kind of cool. I think this is what they call word salad. So it's got some different words on here. In this turquoise, you have but one life, enjoy the journey, so awesome, full of joy, etc. Those kind of things. I think this is what they're calling heart hugs. They're little hearts with a little dimensional. They're like a corrugated heart. It says Merry Christmas, never give up, XOXO, and hello. And then there's 3 enamel dots and some puffy hearts, or puffy stars. And now let's look at the paper. So this is like a gingham check in orange, and the other side is a polka dot. So very easy and versatile to use. Oh, look at the cute little spider. So yeah, so it's got some spiders with the spider webs. The other side is this stripe. Another check in like a teal color. And then this has got the dots. We've got some pumpkins. We got a black stripe. This is actually quite a pretty floral in Halloween colors. The other side is purple with random crosses. And then this is really the only one that's like overtly Halloween, right? Well, I guess the pumpkin is too. So it's got little creatures on here, and then the other side is this orange with the scallop. So I'm still very happy with this because I can definitely use the B sides of the paper for sure. Yeah, so all is good. And that is the kit for October. Very happy with it. Like I said, if this is something you're interested in, go check out the website at scrapbookandcardstoday.com. And until next time, happy crafting.